Hey everybody, Steve here, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Steve, brought to you by the Sandy Mush Smoking Co. In today's episode, we're going to be making this bean dip here. This is one of my favorite bean dips, sort of a Tex-Mex sort of thing that I like to eat a lot and bring to parties. And for this episode, we're going to be focusing on this Panama Red hash blend spice here. So the thing that I love about the Panama Red spice is the smoky kind of kick to it. It's got smoked paprika and chipotle in it, so that provides the smoke and the kick. We're going to keep with that using some of the other ingredients here. So the bean dip is basically a half and half mixture of salsa and refried beans. I use refried black beans, which you can get here, and then just a typical bottle of salsa here, like a 16-ounce bottle of salsa, and about half a bottle of this to half a can of this, or a full jar of this to a full can of the beans. Yeah, so half and half refried beans and salsa, and then I also have 6 ounces of sausage that's been browned in a pan, and separated out into chunks. And that's basically the recipe. Make it nice and easy. As I said, I've been away traveling this weekend, so we're making a nice and easy sort of dish here for this episode. So what I'm doing here, just take half, put it there, half a can of black refried beans, half a jar of salsa, and then the sausage meat that's been browned. So I use just a regular breakfast sausage. This one is from Hickory Nut Gap Farms, a local meat farm around here in the Asheville area that I really enjoy. And then you can customize this as you want. I like it nice and spicy, so I'm using a hot salsa, a chipotle salsa, with a fair amount of the spice here, the spice blend, the Panama Red spice blend. But if you like it a little milder, use a mild salsa. Or if you like it really mild, use a pico de gallo or something that doesn't have anything in it. You could use a salsa verde. You could use whatever you like. Again, most of my recipes are about customization, about the art of cooking. Right? Make it how you like it. This is just a general framework for you to cook around. So I'm going to be adding about 2 tablespoons of spice blend. So that's about 1 tablespoon there. And the second tablespoon. So about 2 tablespoons of the Panama Red spice blend, 6 ounces of sausage, half a jar of salsa, half a can of the refried black beans. Mix it all up. We're going to throw it in the toaster oven there for 30 minutes at 400 degrees. We're going to stir it in the middle and serve it as is, nice and hot. So again, this is the Panama Red spice blend. And one last thing, you can dress it up. I like to dress it up with a little bit of cheddar cheese sometimes. I'm going to be adding that today. So about half a cup, for about this much, you can use half a cup to a cup of cheddar cheese, depending on how cheesy you want to make it. And then I also like to top it with some sour cream. Except in my kitchen, whenever I'm using sour cream, I don't use sour cream, and I try to use Greek yogurt, plain Greek yogurt. So this is Cabot, plain Greek yogurt. This is my favorite. I think it's the closest to sour cream you can get it, like half the calories or something like that. And nice and high protein. And so yeah, get some Greek yogurt instead of sour cream, get your bean dip, and invite some friends over, watch a game or something like that. Alright, so thanks again. Check out the Etsy store. You can find the spice blends, you can find the aprons, t-shirts, hats, the whole shebang. So thanks for watching, and see you guys next week. Bye.